Hard to sled on, isn't it?
She did it. You think you're at the beach, bud?
Here, it's neat.
There you go. Throw it at Ashley.
Snow.
Throw it at her. She's just trying to help you build a snowman.
Have Ian been sledding down?
No.
No.
It's melting really fast.
Snow for a snowball, though.
Don't even think about it.
Too late, I've already thought about it.
Really? I'm the one holding the
Chris,
camera.
more.
I'm holding the camera.
I'm making a snowman.
I have to throw it sometime.
Telling you to throw it. Give it to you.
Distance you get. That's a snowball.
Very good, Chris. That's a snowball. No, Ian's trying to do it.
Is it?
Yeah. Throw! Yay!
Ian. Ball.
Ball. Say snowball.
Snowman.
Good boy.
Not a formed snowman.
Doesn't look bad.
Chris, look at my snowman.
Oh, good, a target.
No, she worked hard on that.
Make it bigger.
You can't.
Here comes Ian. Destructo.
You can do it.
Yeah.
Go throw it. Throw it, Ian. Chris.
Whoa.
See, I suck. I'm gonna sled.
Wow, Ian. That's half a snowman you got there.
He's trying to get up the hill to you.
Let him trudge up the hill.
There you go, Ash. Now use all that snow for the snowman.
Chris.
Hang on.
There's your snowman.
Well, you made a track. Now we can sled.
Ready? Alright, you're on your own, bud.
So I want to sled down.
There's your snowman.
It's nice out here today. Not too cold.
It's like so cheap. Are you stuck?
Come on. Ashley made a nice track. Right in the sludge.
That was fun.
Alright, day 2 of sledding. Our little bobsledder's getting ready. Set.
Go!
Whee!
Not as exciting as it was yesterday, was it?
Well, you know what? If he didn't hit the snow, he probably would have gone faster.
Stop going on the track. Around. Go. Go.
Daddy.
Sorry, bud. Oh no, look at him.
Brush him off. Brush off. You're okay.
You got it on his head.
He's alright. Alright.
I think you may want to just play instead of.
That's fine. Ian, watch out. Here comes Ian. Or Ashley. Watch out. Here comes Ashley.
It's not that fun.
Uh-oh, I need to go get him a tissue.
There's snow in my butt. Chris, it's hard to make a snowman in this.
Where you going, bud?
Oh man, this is hot.
Tell Daisy to open it.
Huh? I think he's having fun just walking around there.
Go ahead. Woohoo!
It's fun. What?
You want to do it, Ian? Really?
Get up.
You're not going to make the Olympic team doing that. It's on your butt.
Where's the other sled?
Right there.
Can't see. Chris is right. Ian.
He's trying to do it on his own. Grab him, Ash, and put him in there. Want to sled, man. It's hot out here.
Yeah, I'm sweating.
All right. Oh no, Ashley. Really?
Oh yeah.
Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Hang on. Get down there with him. Okay, ready? Here he goes. Woo! Let's say future Olympian.
Here you go, buddy. Is that fun?
Yeah, now you got sweat.
Making the head. Ian is helping make the head.
Come on, Ian. Come on.
Ian, help make a snowman. Help Daddy. He needs snow. Put it on there. Hi. Hi there.
I'm ready.
You're lucky you didn't knock me over.
Oh, the clouds are moving.
Very good, Ashley. You are just so smart.
I'm ready for that thing, you know, they go in the little tube on the back.
It's called the luge.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what they call it, Ash.
Go that. Oh, that looks fun.
All right, now you gotta make number 2.
Chris, I want to do the lead.
Where are you gonna put it? No, we're making a snowman. Don't.
Look at Ian. He's like, not that, not now.
That's more of a barrel.
It is now. You gotta roll it the other way. Now it's a cube.
You're gonna use all the snow in the yard for the snowman.
All right. Well, I want to put it in the shade, but it stays for a while.
Right there. It's not a soccer ball. Ooh.
Ooh. Come on, look. Be like the other people. It's this thick.
What do they call it, Ashley?
All by itself.
What do you mean?
Snow.
Well, this is ice. You can see.
Arctic Explorer.
It's this thick. That's all they said yesterday.
Ian.
Ian,
Chris.
come on by.
He's coming.
Ian, you want to play with ice?
That's a pretty good looking vase, isn't it?
Yep.
You brought more. Yay.
Get more.
Mommy can skate on this.
Who is that?
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
You like your snowman? No.
No.
What's wrong with the snowman?
Says his arms are fuzzy.
Well,
Got hairy arms.
come on, Ian. Say hi to your snowman. Say bye, Ashley.
Bye.
Ian.
Ian, come see the snowman. Talk to it. Say hi.
Nice. Hey, Ian. I'm a snow woman.
That's cute. Take that picture. Say hi. Bend down, do it again. Is it talking to you? You want to sit down with it? You want to sit down next to it?
Say no.
Okay. There you go. Here's your picture. Aww.
We made that, didn't we?
You guys did a good job. Did you get that picture?
Yeah. No. No.
Is it talking to you? Do you think it's hungry? No.
No. Well, the sun's gone right now. You ready to go in, buddy?
Mom's gonna cough call.
He's got to get a shower and get ready for work.
Aww. Say bye, snowman.
Bye, snowman. He'll be out here for you to look at you.
Say see you later. That's a great snowman.
It's a good nose.
Thank you. I agreed. Should have an Eagles hat on it, or Falcons though. Alright, we gotta clean up our tubs.
Whoa! That's why you don't walk upstairs on snow, Ian.
Say bye, snow. See you next year.
Yeah, we'll see him again.